all different kind of kids. They have different interests. You have kids that are going to be focused. They want to go to college. Maybe they've been told that they have to go to college. And college isn't really necessarily for everybody. We've had many kids, young adults coming right out of high school, coming and joining our team here at Compco, and they flourish because they have a skill set, they have a drive to learn, they want to do something, may not know what, but we have an opportunity to be able to teach the kids out there a lot of different valuable lessons in our plant, just manufacturing as a whole. We have the people here, we have the experience here out on our shop floor. We've been here for 70 years. We have individuals out on that shop floor that have been with us for 30 years. They're eager to teach too. So if you have the mind frame of wanting to learn, wanting to use your hands, wanting to use your brain, wanting to put it all together, we're gonna find somebody in some way to help grow these individuals.